Hey there, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm gonna go through an amazing posture workout that's gonna help you lift your shoulders, tighten your belly, and make you look confident overall. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, here we go. Posture workout. Posture is one of the easiest things that you can adjust to make the most dramatic difference in the way that you look. Now, what am I saying? So when you're walking around or you're in public and you see someone kind of walking like this, what immediately comes to your mind? Probably that they are sad or they're not really super confident. But when you see someone with great posture walk into the room, it commands presence, right? That is one thing. And then it also helps you to pull in your belly and develop those inner core muscles that act like a girdle to pull your tummy in and give you that defined waistline that you're looking for. So what I want to do is show you some amazing exercises and go through a workout with you that you can use to improve your posture in as little as a week. So make sure you're doing this. Let's go ahead, go through all the exercises, and let's get our posture burn on. So the first exercise we are doing is elbows to the sky. So it's almost like a dance move. Chest up, shoulders back, always plant your heels, squeeze your knees together. Right away, what do you feel? Hamstrings, inner thighs, and butt firing. Awesome. You wouldn't think that's part of your posture, but it all is attached to your core, so we need to make sure that we're activating everything. From the side, chest up, shoulders back, you can see everything's activated. Boom, you're locked in. That's your starting position. Then, your elbows are coming up. So I'm starting locked in. All I'm doing is pressing to the sky, and what you're working on is squeezing up towards your armpits. So really working on those back muscles, but at the same time toning your triceps, which is not a bad thing, right? So that's elbows to the sky. Then we're going bent over rows, okay? So bent over rows, chest up, shoulders back. You're gonna press your hips backwards, okay? Your hands are gonna be facing your knees, and you're gonna pull your shoulder blades back as if you were squeezing a pencil back behind your shoulder blades. So when I'm doing this, basically it's this movement, okay? You wanna squeeze your shoulder blades back together like there's a pencil. So that's bent over rows. Then we're gonna do pull apart. So pull apart, hands forward, okay? You're pulling your hands apart, and then you're squeezing your chest together. So this is more of an isometric move. So your hands are squeezed together, pulling them apart, squeeze together, pulling them apart. The magic of this exercise is how hard you are flexing your arms and how deeply you're pressing your heels into the ground, because you want that full body activation. So chest up, shoulders back, start from the ground up, feeling my heels, feeling my knees together, putting my hands together, flex your arms super hard, like you want to be tense, almost shaking, pull them apart, same thing, flex. Everything is firing. I'm pressing my heels on the ground, press together. So all of this is contributing to that great posture, but you can't forget about the lower half of your body, okay? Then we are going a forward back hand, okay? So back of the hand, big breath, up overhead, okay? Pressing your hands together up overhead, working your shoulders, working your core as well. So oftentimes when your hands go up, your core comes apart. What we want to do, start with the ground up first, chest up, shoulders back, feet rooted, right? Heels rooted, knees pressing together, back of the hands up towards the sky, pressing overhead. Pull your core together. Very difficult, extremely effective if you keep everything tight. Then what we're gonna do is a bent over swimmer. So swimmer position, that same as the bent over row, pressing your hips back. Try to keep your back as flat as possible, okay, and you're gonna swim. Okay, we're just swimming here. Freestyle swim, keeping those arms up, pressing back into the heels, focusing on that movement, all contributing to those back muscles that pull you back. Then we're gonna do an isometric hold. Now the isometric hold is actually going to be up to the sky, okay? Elbows a little bit bent. Always start with the ground, remember, chest up, shoulders back, pressing the heels in, squeezing the knees together. And all I want you to do is press up as hard as you can to the sky with a little bit of bend in your elbow, press up to the sky, flex your arms, pull your shoulders back, okay? Keep the core tight and hold this. You're actually gonna find that your muscles very deep down in your back start to fire up. So that's what we're trying to get, those real deep muscles that contribute to that better posture overall. So let's go ahead, do this workout together. You don't need anything, just you, just me, maybe some water if you need it. So let's go ahead, start with elbows to the sky, okay? So chest up, shoulders back, start with those feet. Remember, tuck in the shirt if you need to. Big breath, fire the legs, fire the core, and press your elbows to the sky. Now you're gonna find that your triceps are working. That's exactly what we want. We also want the back to work, right? So chest up, shoulders back from the side. Just keep this up. You got it, keep it up. Big breath through your nose, out through your mouth. There you go, nice work. Let's go 5 more, burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chest up, shoulders back, press the hips back and pull. And squeeze. You can have your hands closed. I just want you to focus on squeezing your shoulder blades. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Squeeze those. Squeeze and hold for me. Pinch that pencil. Down, squeeze, and squeeze. Good. Good work here. Squeeze those arms. Let's go 5 more. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press up through the heels. Take a big breath, hands together, fire everything. Flex those arms open and closed. Press the chest, open and close. Like you're really pushing your chest together. Everything should be firing here. Hold this. Open and closed. Open and closed. Feel your core working and closed. Open and close. A lot to do with your posture is how tight your chest is, right? If you're tight chest, then you might start to hunch forwards. Go 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one's always the best one. Hold it. 3, 2, 1, and down. A little bit of burn. Shake out those arms. Shoulder height. Fire the legs. Fire the core. Pull that core in like a zipped up jacket. Pull it in. Pull the butt button down and in towards your spine. Good. Pull it. Good. Breathe. Your shoulders should be burning here. Breathe. Good. Let's go. 5 more. 5, 4. It's actually 10. 3, but I'm tricking you, right? 2. A little bit more is not going to hurt you. 1 and 1. Bent over swimmers. Chest up, shoulders back. Draw the hips back and swim. And swim. Really press through the heels. Feel your back working as you're doing this. Nice work. Breathe. Good. Breathe. And breathe. Nice. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Stand. Get into that isometric hold. This is one of my favorites because you don't have to move, right? Chest up, shoulders back. Keep the core tight. Draw the arms up. Push up to the sky, flex as hard as you possibly can. A little bit of bend in the elbow. Press up like you're holding the weight of the world. Close your eyes. Listen to my voice. Press your heels in. Squeeze your knees together. Pull your core in. Chest up, shoulders back. Push the arms up. Fight it here. Don't forget about those knees. Push them together. Ground the heels. Everything should be shaking. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and drop. Oof, I am sweaty right now. So let's just shake it out a little bit. Now, I want to do one stretch, okay? One stretch that's also going to help you. Now, what I had mentioned was if you have a very tight chest, it might draw your shoulders forward. So what you're gonna wanna do is make sure you have a stretched out chest. There's 2 ways you can do this. One, between a door, and I'm gonna show you that in a later video because that needs time all on its own. But right now I wanna show you one. You can interlace your hands back behind your back and just open things up. Now, you've probably seen this stretch before and you probably see people do this, right? You don't wanna do that. You wanna be in control of your core. So same positioning as always, chest up, shoulders back, interlock those hands. And some people can only go this far. That's totally fine, because what I don't want you to do is arch and throw your arms out this way. So ground your heels, press through your heels, press your knees together, and just try to get up as high as you can without arching. Pull in the core, feel your chest, open up. Take a big breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, maintain that tight core, and drop it down. So that's your posture workout. You literally can do this every single day. I do these types of exercises every morning when I wake up because it wakes up my spine, it helps me stand taller and feel more confident for the day. Now, if you like this workout, make sure you let me know what your favorite exercise was, and I want you to grab a free 1-minute ab toning workout that I've put together for you. Now, with this ab toning workout, it's gonna help your posture because you're gonna have a stronger core. So go ahead, grab that, let me know what you think, and the most important thing is that you just take action on your goals right now.